Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another edition of Binary Live that teaches new developers how to code by solving algorithm problems. Today we'll solve a very simple problem. We have to implement a function that adds two numbers and returns their sum in binary. For example, we have 1 and 1. If added, it's gonna give 2, like this. And what's 2 in binary? 2 in binary is 1, 0. That's basically it. The same thing here. 5 and 9 gives 14, as we can see here. And 14 converted in binary gives this. That's all. That's all we need to do. So given a number, A and B, let's do the addition and return in binary. So I've solved it. It's just a simple one-liner. So I've already solved it. So I just put it in a return statement. So we return A and B, which is the addition part, and this is how we convert a number to binary in the JavaScript. If you set to string like that, it's going to return just the string format. When you put 2 as a parenthesis, it's going to return the number in binary format. That's basically it. And if I run my code, it works. It's so simple. I don't need to break down the code. Let's just look at if there are other solutions to that. The same thing like we wrote. The same thing here. What is this? I think it's the same thing, but I don't just understand this triple sign. Well, this one has actually done all the arithmetic conversion by division by 2 and getting the remainder, like the real conversion into binary mathematically. The same thing. This is just to make sure it's a number, in case a number is not given as parentheses. If not, the toString is going to return an error. Right. Mad.trunky crazy. This is just a check to be sure that digits are given, basically, so that toString can work, because if not, it's not going to work. That's just some secure coding, if you wish. And this is conversion to binary, just like up, using all the mathematics that goes behind it, division and remainders. And so just splitting it into steps, adding on one side, conversion to binary, and returning the binary. Right, I'm going to stop here, and I think we can see the code. Practically simple. This is another secure coding, making sure that numbers are given before you can convert to string. Right, so thanks for viewing, and see you in another video for another coding challenge.